On St David's Day, we come together to celebrate everything that makes Wales special: our history, our language, our communities. And for me, this day is also about the values that have helped shape our nation: fairness, compassion, looking out for one another. Those values are really close to my heart. They're what brought me into public service, and they guide the decisions we take every day, because government is at its best when it's rooted in those values, working to strengthen our NHS, support good jobs, give young people the skills that they need to succeed. And that's what we stand for in Welsh Labour, a country where nobody's left behind, where we move forward together. And this May, we have a choice about the future of our country, a chance to write the next chapter of Wales, built on those same values. So however you're marking the day, I wish you a very happy St David's Day. Dydd, Gŵyl, Dewi, Hapus i chi gyd.